Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how you can change the language on the WordPress dashboard. So I'm here on the main WordPress dashboard, and you go here to the settings and then you click General, and then here you scroll a little bit down and you see it says Site Language. Right now it's English United States, but you can change and you can choose any language available. Every language is available here, and it is written here you can see as it is in the language. For example, for me my main language is Greek, but I don't find it under Greek. This is the point. I find it here. It says Ελληνικά. Actually, this is written in Greek. Okay, so you will find the same way for your own language. Let's say I change it to Ελληνικά, which is the Greek, and I click Save Changes. And then you see here that everything now is in Greek. Make sure to choose a language that you understand, so if you want to change it back to English, it will be not difficult, because now everything is in Greek, but I know where it is the settings and general. I go back and then I go here to the language. You see also this symbol if you can't read the language you choose. And then I go here and I find the English United States. Okay, I choose it and then I click again Save Changes. And everything is back on English. Okay, that's all. Before you leave, 1 second. If you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. And if this video gave you value, then make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more video about WordPress and about make money online. See you in another video. Bye bye.